Hello everyone, how's it going on? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make a friends only TikTok video. It's very quick and easy, so let's jump right in. What you need to do is obviously open your TikTok app and then just go ahead and click on post. After you've done that, just make the video that you want to make. This is just perfect. Then just go ahead and click on this verified for the sake of this video. And then what you need to do is go ahead and click on who can watch this video. Here you have some options: everyone, friends, only me. So therefore you just click on friends, and this video, once you post it, can be watched only by your friends. It means the people that you follow back. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel for more useful content. Till next time, have a great day.